Welcome to Shuffle the Story World. The Magic Porridge Pot Level 1. Read it yourself with Ladybird. This book is suitable for the children who are making their first attempts at reading. This book is illustrated by David Pace. Here you can see the little girl, the old women, the mother, and the magic porridge pot. Okay, let's start the story. Once upon a time, a little girl met an old woman. The old woman gave her a magic porridge pot. Cook, little pot, cook, said the old woman. And the little pot cooked some porridge. Stop, little pot, stop, said the old woman. And the little pot stopped cooking. The little girl took the magic porridge pot to her mother. Cook, little pot, cook, said the little girl's mother. And the little pot cooked some porridge. The kitchen was full of porridge, and still the magic porridge pot went on cooking. See, the mother is sleeping here. Soon the house was full of porridge, and still the magic porridge pot went on cooking. The mother is still sleeping here. Soon the street was full of porridge, and still the magic porridge pot went on cooking. Soon the whole town was full of porridge, and still the magic porridge pot went on cooking. Stop, little pot, stop, said the little girl. At last, the magic porridge pot stopped cooking. And the mother now, wake up. But the whole town is still eating porridge. This is the end of the story. If you like enjoying to hear the story, please subscribe to our channel Shuffle the Story World. Thank you for watching.